My channel with new video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest videos. Today we go talk about how to make money while you sleep with affiliate marketing. Yes, how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So let's start the video. Do you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing but you are not sure where to get started? Affiliate marketing is all about generating tons of profit without any effort, right? At least that's what a quick Google search would have you believe. But as usual, the truth is a little more complex than that. Yes, you can make money through affiliate marketing, good money, and yes, you can even make money while you sleep. So in this video I'm gonna tell you all this process how to make money through affiliate marketing. In this post we're going to teach you how to generate passive income with successful affiliate marketing. Since this is such an depth guide, feel free to use this table of contents to navigate your way to the section that most interests you. What is affiliate marketing? What you need to start affiliate marketing? How to make money with affiliate marketing? Step 1: create content that generate affiliate revenue. So first of all, you have to create a content about affiliate marketing. Step 2: promote your affiliate product in the content. Step 3: turn your visitors into affiliate customers. Step 4: optimize your existing traffic for more revenue. Step 5: grow affiliate revenue from your email list. So with these 5 steps, you if you are a beginner and you can start affiliate marketing. But before we dive into our guide on how to make money with affiliate marketing, let's get clear on why you should take our advice in the first place. What do we know about affiliate marketing? Unlike other experts and false, we only preach what we practice. And there's the thing about these sites, they don't actually sell anything. So how do they earn money? Towards affiliate marketing. That's why in the post we are existing to teach you the exact strategies we use on our own publication to increase revenue with affiliate marketing. Before we get into deep stuff, let's make sure we are all clear on what affiliate marketing is and how it can help your business. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when an online retailer pays you a commission for traffic or sales generating from your referrals. It's essentially classic advertising in a less intrusive way. Rather than promoting a product on your website with visual advertisement. In this image above, the affiliate partner is a company that offers self-hosting service for website. You recommended a product or services to your followers through your website, blog, or email list. Your followers purchase the product or services using your affiliate link. You get paid a commission for the sales made using your affiliate link. Let's break down this process into more detail to make sure you exactly how to make successful affiliate marketing strategies. But first, let's quickly look at 2 things you need before starting out with affiliate marketing. What you need to start affiliate marketing? There are 2 things you need to get started with affiliate marketing. Create a website or blog in your niche. Choose affiliate product to promote. Create a website or blog for your niche. To make money with affiliate marketing, the first thing you need is a website. When it's come to building your website, you have tons of options, but we highly recommended using WordPress. With WordPress, anyone can quickly build a professional looking website in minutes. If you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing, you can check out tutorials if you need help building your site. Step 2: choose affiliate product to promote. If you have done the work to choose a niche, choosing affiliate product to promote should be easy. Choose products that fit your niche and relate to your content. One of the best way to select your affiliate products is by joining an affiliate network. Affiliate networks are business that connect merchants and affiliate marketers so both can earn more money. Affiliate marketers use affiliate networks to make better product selections to promote on their site. There are many affiliate networks out there, but here are few of the most popular. They can help you. Share a sale, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, Amazon Associates. One of the benefits of affiliate network is they typically have more data on how well a product sells. You can then use that data to increase your affiliate marketing profits. Anytime that you can make data driven decision rather than going with your gut is an excellent opportunity to optimize your affiliate strategy. Okay, now that you have your website built and you know which product you want to promote, it's time to dive into our exact process for making money with affiliate marketing. Create content that generates affiliate revenue. In an effort to make money with affiliate marketing, most beginners simply publish some random content and insert affiliate links within the article. That strategy may or may not work, but you truly want to boost your affiliate revenue. So with this step you can easily make money with affiliate marketing. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.